Hi, and welcome to another episode of Girl You Always Sewing Something. I am so excited to share with you my upcoming sewing projects. And the great news is you will be able to, one, purchase fabric from my Etsy shop. Yay! And two, you will be able to purchase my sew along videos so you can create your own dress. So let's just jump right into this pattern upcoming project that we're getting ready to do. This is Simplicity Pattern 9010. And this pattern is beginner friendly. You do not have to be advanced or intermediate seamstress to sew this. I absolutely love this dress. You can wear it for casual wear. You can wear it in the office, maybe with like a little shawl around your shoulders. It has a elastic waistband, an A-line skirt with like the drop shoulders. And in the back, it has that sexy V-neck in the back with a little bit of a split, not too high, a split in the back. We will be focusing on view B for our sewing tutorial. So let's flip it over in the back. The fabrics that we can use is a crepe. We can also use a georgette, a ponte, any type of silk type, velvets, and or, which is not listed on this pattern, you can also use a knit. I can see this in a nice knit, which is kind of like a ponte, right? So let's talk about the fabric choice that I chose. I chose a silk fabric. It has like these little designs in it. It looks like the letter K, but it's not. Very, very unique, very flowy. This is a very breathable fabric. So if you are interested in learning how to sew this dress, please check me out on my Etsy shop. My LaShayDesign.com website will be launching and releasing soon, and you will be able to get all my videos from the website. Thank you very much. Please like, rate, and subscribe.